guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you guys are doing well, and as you can see in the thumbnail, I am going in the field to collect the seasonal harvest, that is cucumber. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and do watch till the end. See you.
Weather is not favorable. Oh my god, guys, I'm just sitting inside the car and we've just parked outside the Saturday Bazaar, that is APMC. It started raining when we moved out, so let's just hope for the best. I hope it does not rain heavily. I'm not going outside, I'm just sitting inside the car. This is the condition of the Saturday market. It's raining cats and dogs. I don't know whether we will be able to go to the field or not if it rains heavily. Bisa naman na hana. Ay mo harvest pa na. It has rained, so the path condition will be a little bit slippery. This is the way to the field. Oh my god. Guys, this is a fig tree. Look at this. Wow. In Alothada Lake, it's called Zvoti. This is our coffee plantation. Guys, this is the beauty of Bokha, the land of plenty. I am one piece sundar. Savannah. Guys, look at this beauty. Loving this. Guys, look at this. This is the reason why I've come here. See. Wow. Guys, sabi. Look at this. All these are corn and cucumber. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. Video itu aside sabi. Appreciate. God is so good to Bokha. This is why we call it Bokha, the land of plenty. Zola.
This is 멈춰.
This is 멈춰. 아유, 럼지 뜯어요 뭐.
And this is fresh.
이거 뭐 전시단일이야. 럼지.
멈춰.
아주 잘 들어.
나.
리샤 똥으로지나 인약한 주의 그 매도를 안 사가 당님도 좋은 나로를 해야나 해. 이렇게 책임을 뭐 맨날 이렇게 하지.
나 아날리 샷기다가 셰프 하도 놀래들이나.
뭐야 뭐 저기 나죠.
너는 다
나 저거 비장 하고라 뭐 소가.
조금 더 배나 큰다. 난 뭐.
그래 아나
소개한다. 이거 또 소다는. 하야.
작다로.
산주서 나 소리 난다.
비저 올라앉지 친추가.
앉아 앉는 거야. 아이고 저 맞자 봐. 내가 세게 간다. 나라 이렇게 못하는 거지 않아. 그게 뭐더라.
Guys, I'm collecting cucumber. Itu pilo po di. I found two. This is the cutest cucumber I've ever seen. Look at this. I think I'll eat this. So good. I like the baishe. Shape to tera mera hole bi mitha to bishi mitha jare. This is never ending. Look at this. It had a corn the season no hole bi after this June end of the month. It will be plenty. I'm gonna take this one also. It's very slippery. Guys, we are heading back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got this much. See you. It's going to rain. That's why we're leaving fast.